If you have your car going and you cannot get the fluid to spray from your windshield wiper fluid reservoir, you might have an issue with the wiper pump. Before you do any of that, check to make sure you have windshield wiper fluid. Then after that, follow these steps to check the fuse and relay box in the front of the vehicle. If you are not getting water to spray, so I'm gonna turn on the vehicle. When I try to get it to spray fluid, no fluid is going. Go to the front of the vehicle. The first thing you're gonna check your fuse and relay box. This is just to the right when you're looking at the vehicle. We're going to take the cover off. There is a fuse puller right here. I've already removed that. And we're just going to come here. So spot 56 for the front washer. So we're going to pull that up. We can give it an eye inspection to see if it's burned. We should also put this up to a multimeter or voltmeter just to see if it has continuity. So we'll test this. So now the best way to check this is we take our multimeter, we're going to set it to 200, and then we're just going to take our probes and we're going to touch each side and we're going to get a reading of around 1. And we just want to make sure we have continuity. This is a working fuse. If this was not working, we'd get no reading at all and it would look like something like that. Nothing would happen. So when we touch both. If this fuse is working, then you may have an issue with the motor. If the fuse isn't working and nothing's happening when you test it, then you're going to need a new fuse. And this is a lot cheaper to replace. Problem is, if your fuses start going out, that means you probably have a wiring issue. That's something to check as well. So if you continue to have fuses go out, check your wiring. After testing, if it is a good one, then we would actually look into the motor. It is good, so we're just going to push it back in, and I'm only doing this as a test for example's sake. So if that is bad, you can just switch that up and we can test our vehicle. After the cover's been secured, we'll get back in, start your vehicle. Wipers are still working, and then we're just going to pull back, and we do have water squirting. So if you're having an issue, it is fuse 56. It's a 15 amp fuse. Check that first if you're not getting water to spray. So before that, check to make sure you have washer fluid. If you have washer fluid in there, then check that fuse. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe. If you are not having an issue with the fuse, then you're going to have to look at that pump.